Thank you for calling Day One Pros. This is Jordan. How may I help you today?
This AI just answered a sales call, qualified the lead, and tried to book them into my calendar, all while I was asleep. I'm going to show you exactly how it works, how much it costs, and how you can build one for your business in about an hour. Let's dive in. If you run a service business, you know this pain. You're on a job site, in a meeting, or just living your life, and you miss a call. That potential client, they're calling your competitor next. Industry data shows service businesses lose 20 to 30% of their inbound leads just from missed calls and slow follow up. That's not a customer service problem, that's a revenue leak. So I built something to fix it. This is Vapi. It's a platform that lets you build AI voice agents, basically a virtual receptionist that can actually have conversations with your callers. But here's the thing, most people set these up wrong. They think the AI will just magically know how to talk to their customers, and it won't. You have to train it. And the fastest way to do it? Use AI to help you build it. So here's what I did. I went to Claude. This is the same AI tool most consultants use for prompt engineering, and I told it exactly what I needed. I said, I need a system prompt for an AI voice agent. This agent answers calls for my automation consulting business. It should greet callers warmly, ask about their business type, understand their current lead follow-up process, identify pain points, and offer to book a discovery call. And Claude gave me this. Look at the structure. It starts with a professional greeting, asks qualifying questions in a natural conversational flow, handles objections like, I need to think about it, or how much does this cost, and smoothly transitions to booking. This isn't just a script, it's a conversation framework. Now here's why this matters. Most people ask AI for a prompt but don't give it enough context, so the output is generic. I gave Claude specific instructions about my business, my ideal clients, and my booking process. That's the difference between an AI that sounds like a call center and one that sounds like your best receptionist. All right, now I take that prompt from Claude and plug it straight into Vapi. Here's the actual setup. I'm pasting Claude's prompt here, selecting my voice. I went with a friendly, professional tone, and that's it. My AI receptionist just got trained. Now let's see if it actually works. Moment of truth. I'm calling my AI agent right now, and I'll show you how it handles a real conversation.
Thank you for calling Day One Pros. This is Jordan, your scheduling assistant. How may I help you today?
Hi, Jordan. I am looking to book an appointment for AI automations.
Perfect. I can absolutely help with that. I'll get you scheduled for a 30-minute discovery call with Carol, the founder of Day One Pros. Let me grab a few quick details from you first so we can make the most of your time together. Let's start with your name.
My name is Hannah.
Great to meet you, Hannah. And what's the best phone number to reach you at?
My number is 123.
Thanks, Hannah. Got it. And what's your email address? You'll get a confirmation email with all the details for your call.
Hannah@fakeemail.com.
Perfect. Thanks. And what's the name of your company? And what do you do?
I own a landscaping company called Great Lawns.
What are you looking to automate? Like, what tasks or processes are eating up your time right now?
All of the missed calls that I get. So I try to call people back at the end of the day, but oftentimes they've already called a different company to.
Got it, Hannah? That makes total sense. I hear that a lot from business owners. Addressing missed calls can be a real challenge. Now, Carol's availability is on. Does that work for you, or would you prefer I schedule it for you?
Can you schedule for me for next Tuesday?
I don't see availability on Tuesday right now, but I can book you for either Monday or Thursday. What day works better for you?
Oh, let's do Monday at.
Perfect. I've got you down for Monday. Get a confirmation email with the Zoom link in just a moment. Before your call, free to jot down any processes or tasks you're currently doing manually. That'll help you both make the most of the 30 minutes together. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Nope, that'll be all. Thank you.
Awesome. Looking forward to your call with Carol. Have a great day, Hannah.
Did you catch that? It didn't just recite a script. It actually listened to what I said and responded naturally. It identified the pain point and moved towards booking. Now, this isn't perfect yet. I've tested this in about 15 different scenarios, and I've tweaked the prompt each time. That iteration process, that's what separates a demo from a system that actually makes you money. So what does this mean for your business? It means you never miss another lead. You're on a job site, your AI can answer it. You're in a meeting, your AI is qualifying. You're asleep, your AI is booking calls. And here's the crazy part. This costs about 10 to 15 cents per conversation. Compare that to the $2,000 client that you just lost because you were too busy to pick up the phone. The ROI here is ridiculous. Once you build this, it works for you 24/7 for pennies. All right, so if you want to build this yourself, here's a simple version of what you can do. Step 1, sign up for Vapi. They have a free trial so you can test it without spending anything up front. Step 2, use Claude or ChatGPT to generate your system prompt. Be specific. Tell the AI about your business, your ideal customer, and what you want the agent to ask. Step 3, plug that prompt into Vapi. Pick your voice and test it. Call it yourself. Have friends call it. Break it. Step 4 is to iterate. Refine the prompt based on what didn't work. This is where the magic happens. And once it's dialed in, you can connect it to your phone number and you're live. I built the first version of this in under 2 hours. This agent isn't connected to my Calendly yet. That's on purpose. I want to test it more, but when I do connect it, this thing will take a call, qualify the lead, and book them into a specific time slot without me ever touching it. I'm going to make a follow-up video showing you exactly how to set up that integration. So if you want to see part 2, hit subscribe so you don't miss it. So look, if you want to build this yourself, you absolutely can. But if you're a service business owner and you're thinking, that sounds great, but I don't have time to figure out Vapi or prompt engineering, I get it. I know you're slammed. That's exactly why I offer a done-for-you automation service. I build these systems for businesses just like yours. Voice agents, lead follow-up, onboarding automation, so you can focus on actually running your business. I've got a link in the description to book your first discovery call. We'll talk about your specific situation and see if automation makes sense for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.